Welcome everyone, and this is the 8th tutorial for Ansys software, and I believe you have already completed the previous 7 tutorials and you enjoyed it. And so let's start today's tutorial. So now the questions from the corner of yours, what I gonna teach you today. Today's topic will be about the various tools regarding our sketching and some other tools like this. Okay, for this, just I will go for the I can try with the geometry. Okay, just double click here. Okay, and here, and I'll go for new design modeler. Okay, now you are in the interface of your design modeler. And first of all, you will go. I will try to sketch the model or something by using the XY plane, and just click on the right side of your mouse and then look at. And you are in now XY plane, and you see, just click on sketching. You see the draw, modify, dimension, constraints, and settings. At first, I will go for the settings. You see here grid. Whenever you just click on grid, you see the show in 2D. Just click here, you see the grid here, and you can also the snap. So you see the snap. Okay, so I don't prefer to have the grids, that's why I just go for the uncheck. And if you see the major grid spacing 5, that means the x-axis, and the minor steps, it would be also 5, so it should be have the grids as like a square. Okay, this is actually about the settings. Now I'll go for the draw. You see the previous lecture I have discussed with the something drawings, lines, polylines, polygon, rectangles like this, and you're aware of these tools. So just I will just click on the line, and I'm trying to draw something. Okay. Then for example, I will go to the modify, and you can see what I can do. First of all, I will discuss with the trim. So how I need another drawing. So okay, so just go back to the trim, and for example, okay, just click, and okay, like this you can easily, for example, okay, you can easily trim. Okay, now I want to show you the extent. So for example, you just extend this line, you can easily use it. Okay, so you can easily use the fillet, just like draw this corner like this. So just click it, and this would be okay, like this. Okay, and what would be the chamfer? For this, I would like to another drawing. Okay, so if just back to the modify, and just and the length, you may modify this. Okay, so for example, it length should be 2, for example. Just click it, and you should here, okay, just like this. Okay, we can easily chamfer. Okay, so what the corner, it should be like this. Just I may need to draw something. Okay, so I may get back to the corner, so just click it and this. Okay, easily the corner would be created. Okay, so now the split, that means for example a line will be divided for several sections. Okay, for example I would like to, this is for example, okay, for example, just go back for drawing the line like this, and I'll go back to the split. Okay, you can see it has been splitted into parts. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can drag. Drag means, for example, this. You can easily drag this like this. Okay, okay, you can easily drag. Okay, okay. You can move also. You can change the orientation. For example, this line and this line. You can change the orientation. How can you do this? Just click on generate like this. Just move it. So you can easily move it. Okay, you're getting like this. Okay, easily you can move it. Okay, okay, and replicate. So you can also replicate. We can also replicate like this, and you can also duplicate here. Just click, and by this you can generate. You can here you can easily replicate or duplicate from here, and these are actually the all the functions regarding the modify. And if you go just the dimensions, whenever you go through the any kind of directions for the straight lines or inclined lines, you'll go to the length. Okay, for example, you can easily, you can see, you can easily do your dimensions here. You can easily do your dimension for it, and for horizontal you can do only the, it's a vertical, so it would be no. But if you go on these, so it has already been, so you can easily do it. Okay, so you can radius, diameter, angle, you can do it easily. Okay, so constraint here, constraints, whatever he will do that. Mostly you're gonna use the symmetry. What is the function of symmetry? For example, what would be like this? For example, you just draw the rectangle. You will go for the constraint and use the symmetry. So how to do this? You see, it should be such. First of all, you just click on the axis, and then this, and then this. You see, it should be the symmetrical about y-axis. Then just click on your right side of the mouse, then select a new symmetric axis. So now you just want it by x-axis. So first of all, selection the x-axis, then it's, then this. Okay, you will get this object by x and y axis symmetrically. Okay, so how will it will be the similar things whenever you use it, whenever you need it, you can easily use it from it. Okay, now you can see here, you can here you can easily save the project by ifs. You can easily the export from here. You can easily the you can easily capture the image here. Whatever you complete your sketching, you can easily clicking undo, Okay, just getting back the previous one, and you can easily rotate. For example, you can easily rotate by these tools, and what I actually discussed with you the earlier. You can easily move by this pen. Okay. So whatever I discussed with you today is a very important things, before sketching in any type of models. Okay, so keep watching my tutorials, and thank you.